Sunny morning, a fluffy gray cat named Misty walked happily toward a beautiful lake. Misty knew she had to be brave and get it back. Misty ran as fast as her little and calm. Soon the fox tripped over a branch. Thump! The basket fell to the ground. Misty picked up her basket and looked at the fox. "You shouldn't take things that aren't yours," she said gently. The fox looked embarrassed. "I'm sorry," he mumbled. Misty smiled. "You can share with me instead." And from that day on, the fox wasn't sneaky anymore. He was Misty's new friend.